Good day everybody, USADOS here from busyman.kr. Today we got this Mercedes ML280 diesel 3000cc. It's very nice, but there's one problem: the engine doesn't work. So from inside, outside, everything is perfect besides the engine. We tried to fix it, tried to find the problem, but we couldn't find it. So we're selling it very cheap for someone who's interested. Maybe you can take it and change the engine or use it for parts. Yeah, we're selling it like this, the cheap price in this situation like this. The engine has a problem. Oh, and the shipping, we can't ship by Roro, so we're shipping by container. Please note that we have to ship it by container because it cannot be driven, because it doesn't work, the engine doesn't work. As you see, the car looks very clean from outside. Let me show you from outside and inside as well. I don't know what's the problem in the engine, but yep, this is what we got. This is the car. It's really nice from inside as well. I'll show you just in a moment. You can either buy it if you have the same car, like a very old car. I mean, like the interior is kind of old and not good. You can change the engines, put the engine in this one and use the body and interior for this one. Or maybe you can use it for parts. We're selling it really cheap at busyman.kr. Here's it. Let's go inside as well and check it out. So here I'm inside here. I'll show you. When you try to start the engine, it doesn't work. There's a problem. But everything interior looks very new, very clean. This from the engine, you can take it off, but it's all clean. For the screen here, everything works perfectly. Doesn't work.
일반 도로 5번 국도를 경유하는 경로입니다.
Yep, so as you can see, it's in a very good condition from inside. Everything looks new, perfect, but the engine doesn't start. There's a problem with it. Thank you. Please contact us if you're interested in this car.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
So yeah, as have you seen, this is the Mercedes. From inside and outside, it's really good, but the engine is not working for some reason. If you can fix it, maybe, or you can change the engine, you could use this car. Or if you want to use it for parts for another cars, you can contact us to ask more about this car if you have any more questions. And please note that we have to send it by a container, not by the Roro. We have to put it inside a container. Thank you so much. Please contact us. USADOS here from busyman.kr.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video